Before time began, there was the cube. We know not where it comes from, only that it holds the power to create worlds and fill them with life. Earth. But we were already too late. Bounce. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Bounce. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Bounce.
Yo, let me hear some of that hood go crazy shit. Alright, so, I tried everything, but nothing worked. The name D's, you can read it on a fucking shirt. A humble dude, y'all ain't gotta act like such a jerk. I got a gut feeling, that's the reason why my stomach hurt. All I need is green trees and I'll be good. Tryna steal my seat at the table, I'll make you eat wood. So he should just keep shut and stay in your place. And if we was you, we would go lay on the brakes, Buffalo. This the type of shit that make the low go crazy. Make the haters go and do a 180. Yeah, you know we do this on a daily. I see you feeling all the shit that I've been doing lately.
I think it goes something like, Gabi, get 'em.
Boy, I had to back the grave, good morning. Have been sleeping for too long, honey, on it. What you say? Hold up, shut your mouth. Dead man can't handle what you talking about. Cause what you do that door, it ain't walking out. Let me put the back of time in my coffin now. Oh, I know you smell it in the air. Cause I've been in the grave for too long, I swear. People crying, I miss it. Oh, bitch, where it been written? My face pale, they can't tell your boy back to you, isn't?
Little baby, don't say a word. Papa's gonna buy you a mockingbird. Shh.
I'm out of my mind, out of my mind. I'm out of my mind, out of my it's B.O. I'm out of my out of my I'm out of my mind, my brain's on vacation, they're telling me. And I'm bipolar to the severity. And I need medication apparently, and some electric convulsive therapy. I'm out of it. I can't seem to come out of it. What's going on inside of my head? It feels like I'm being John Malkovich. Ladies and gentlemen, please tone it down a bit.
Número de orden 404. Avanzamos a categoría infantil.